E3 2017 is almost upon us, so let's take a look at what we expect from one of the biggest game conferences of the year. E3 is where industry titans like Microsoft, Sony, and Nintendo show off what they have cooking for their respective game divisions. Over 2,300 games, consoles, and toys will be on display at the show, and we expect at least 75 announcements of new games or devices. The biggest announcements from Microsoft will center around Project Scorpio, its newest update to the Xbox. We're expecting the company to answer questions like, what does it look like? How much will it cost? When can we buy one? And what can it do a regular Xbox One can't? Hopefully they'll also answer my number one question, which is, when am I going to get Cuphead? From hardware to software, Sony will likely be focusing on updates from highly anticipated PS4 exclusives like God of War 4, The Last of Us Part 2, Days Gone, Detroit Become Human, Uncharted: The Lost Legacy, and the upcoming Spider-Man game. So in the green corner, there's Xbox showing off new hardware. In the blue corner, we've got Sony with all kinds of great exclusives. And then there's Nintendo, who's off marching to the beat of their own drum. But honestly, we're equally as excited about that too. We expect a big chunk of Nintendo's E3 presence focused on upcoming Switch titles like Super Mario Odyssey. But personally, I'm hoping we get announcements for more franchises like Kirby, Super Smash Bros., or maybe even Metroid. Of course, tons of independent developers like Activision, EA, Rockstar, Bethesda, and more will be showing off their upcoming games as well. Regardless of who shows up with what, it looks like it's going to be another massive year for E3. We will be on the ground covering it as it happens. Stay tuned to CNET.com. I'm Ashley Esqueda. Be good humans.